Hello, my name is Frederic Winssinger. I'm the Honorary Consul for the state of Arizona and New Mexico. I am based in Phoenix, Arizona. In addition to the 300 days of great sunshine we get per year in the state of Arizona, we're also becoming the leading semiconductor manufacturing center of the United States with the recent addition of the TSMC plant under construction and ready to produce by 2024, if I'm correct. We're also becoming the EV manufacturing center for the country with companies such as Lucid Motors and others building their batteries for their electric cars. But besides that, we have the leading university in the country in terms of the size and number of students participating in various undergraduate programs, graduate programs, and online programs in Arizona State University. So for all those of you interested in establishing businesses there, or whatever your interest is in the area, in addition to tourism, vacationing, and whatnot, I welcome you to the state. This is a great region to visit in the country of the United States. Thank you.